Remarkable beautiful 24 acres, sustainable ranch. For sale in Herradura, Garabito, Costa Rica. A bargain property in Costa Rica, today's real estate market. Located in the central Pacific area of the country, at 10 minutes from Los Suenos Marina and Marriott Hotel, and only 10 minutes from the town of Jaco Beach. With public utilities available such as electricity at the property, public drinking water located at the bottom part. One private water well, with excellent cell telephone reception available. Topography of the property is conformed of rolling hill and flat areas with about 2/3 of Brachialis pasture and capacity to maintain livestock all year around. Located in Herradura Puntarenas, just 10 minutes from Los Suenos Resort and the beach of Herradura, located on Costa Rica's central Pacific coast. Ideal property to build your dream home on, and keep your horses in the pasture down below. The property is large enough to put 5 to 6 homes on, and then you could all share the cost of the barn, by having a caretaker on the premises all the time. This would be a security feature, plus the caretaker would be available to keep the property looking good. Key features. Main paved public road frontage from San Jose, with more than 100 meters of frontage. With a direct access. Undulated terrain ready to build, or subdivide into small parcels. The property holds a clear title, and it is ready to be transferred. With an internal concrete road access to the main 2 terraces, one for the main future house, and the other is for a future guest house. With a graveled road that goes through the rest of the entire property. It is for this and much more that this property is one of the best options you can find in Costa Rica today, and in addition the great location that will immediately makes it the best buy.